Easy DIY. Man, this water is barely coming out of here. I don't know what's wrong with the flow.
Hey, what's going on?
Ethan.
Oh, hey.
I was just trying to run some water here, and look at this. Look at the stream. It's not full. Looks like something's blocking it. I got an idea.
What? What's it?
I know how to fix this.
You do?
And I know how to do it the easy way.
Oh.
Stay tuned. It's coming up now. What's up, guys? I'm Ron from Easy DIY. Running our camera is Ethan from Easy DIY.
What's up, guys?
So today, as you saw, we are going to fix a problem where you have one of these kind of fancy faucets in the kitchen, and if you look up in there, it's really hard to get to that piece. So we're going to figure out what's causing the blockage and how to fix it, and it's coming up now. Here we go. Okay, so for this easy DIY fix, all we need is this simple tool, and it comes with your faucet when you purchased it. If you don't have one of these, you can actually, we'll put a link in the description, but you can actually go on Amazon and find these all over the place. So that is it. This is actually a little plastic wrench, and we're going to show you how to use it now. All right, we're back. Let's get this done. This is a quick one. So here's the wrench we talked about. And all you're going to do is just put it up in here. You can look if you want, but you can really just kind of feel it fall into place. And this just follows the lefty-loosey, righty-tighty rule. So we're just going to loosen this guy up. And as you'll see, we're going to get this little screen out of here, which it diffuses the water, which is great. But what happens, and hopefully you can see that on the camera, you get a little buildup of particles and some calcium and all that kind of stuff builds up in these things, which causes that flow to be obstructed, which hopefully we're gonna fix that today and show you. So this thing is coming right on out of here, just like we thought it would. You can typically get it to a point where then you can grab it with here we go, grab it with your fingers. Oh boy, look at that. Ooh. That is some bad stuff. All this stuff isn't supposed to be there. I don't know if you can see this, but look at this. Oof. Yeah. You know, we did have some issues with our water for a while. The village was doing something, so maybe that's a product of that. Could be. That doesn't look like the rubber of the gasket's giving way. So we definitely have some major gunk in here, and I'm just going to rinse this off now. And you got to be a little careful because without the diffuser, this thing is really going to squirt. But the nice thing about it is it also gives us a jet. Try not. You got a GoPro anyway, so we're okay.
Right, we're waterproof.
And actually, this whole piece comes out of here, right? You just got to be careful so you don't snap that little gasket here, but this whole piece will come out too for us. There we go. So there's the rubber gasket. I'm just going to put it over here the way it went in so we don't forget. But see, this whole piece comes out, and you even have, so here's the gunk, but you also have that screen down here too. Sometimes that even gets stuff in it.
Looks like it is. It has stuff.
Yep, it's got some stuff in there too. Oh yeah, you can see it, can't you? So let's just knock that through. Actually, those, let's see, are those supposed to be there? Those almost look like a pattern, like a design or something, but maybe not.
Yeah, those are.
I was going to say, this whole screen comes out too, so we just have to remember which way all this goes in. We're just going to give all this a nice rinse. And we're going to put that, so that goes right back down in here, and this is our real, this is the offender here. This looks terrible, so I'm just going to go ahead and give this a good clean too. Okay, so what we found was actually this stuff is so nasty that it ended up staining our white screen here. So looks like all the filth is off of there, but we did get some staining happening. So we're just gonna deal with that for now. We're gonna snap that back in. Because what we really want to see is this, the flow improvement. It's going to be amazing. Just wait till you see. Whoops, this goes around this way. You want to watch how all the stuff goes back together, because I've done this a few times, so I remember. But now look at that. There's none of that buildup on there. Again, a little bit of staining. But we got the screen clean. We got this little filter clean. Everything looks good. And now we're just going to do the reverse of what we did to get this guy out of here. We're going to put him in there and just kind of hand tighten him a little bit. Then we're going to get a wrench. Righty-tighty. Here we go. Maybe. There we go. You don't want to over-tighten this either. Just like all, this is minor plumbing, but just like all plumbing, you don't want to get things too tight. So just hand tighten that until it's up in there. Turn it on carefully. Make sure you get it in there and it's not going to scorch you. And look at that flow we have now. I mean, I can actually hear it in the sink now.
Wow.
So that is it, guys. It is that easy. You could probably even, if you really wanted to get it extra clean, you could soak it in some CLR or some kind of other cleaner too that get those deposits out of there. But that's all that's to it. This little wrench, a little bit of water, and you got some nice flow going here now. Look at that. That's how you fix things the easy way. Thanks for joining us.